Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you this amazing, very creative and very amazing ideas of jute burlap craft. It's not just a fun, it's more than a fun. It's like remedy for your mind, stress feeling. Craft is more than just fun. It's a stress free your mind. It's gonna be very amazed in your mind effects. So hope you are fine and watch the video, watch till the end, stay tuned with us. We are giving you the amazing and best ideas for everyone who wants to do craft. So jute also called burlap, and it's a eco-friendly fabric. It's eco-friendly and also budget friendly, environmental free, very beautiful craft, and you can make very beautiful things with these types of ornament. Either it's Christmas tree, either or it's ornaments. It's a beautiful craft. You can make it at home with rustic touch of farmhouse look. So what would you like to make this season? This season gonna be rock. If you make something beautiful, it's gonna be shocked. These beautiful season are very beautiful. So if you are making something beautiful and different, so what do you feel about that? What do you think about that? These crafted ideas are useful or not? This Xmas occasion, this season of New Year, you can make a beautiful handcrafted jute or burlap, jute rope. You can make many things with that. So these craft ideas are very amazing and beautiful. Would you like to make something different and unique? Would you like to make something beautiful and different? So I would like to share with you this beautiful collection. Do you think these crafted ideas is made for everyone? Do you think these crafted ideas are more than just a fun? You can create very beautiful things with burlap, jute, rustic touch. Hope you enjoyed these designs and craft. So these designs are very amazing and rustic touch, and everyone who gonna make this type of designs, so it would be really perfect for every occasion. And we gives you the amazing ideas, amazing collection with burlap and jute. You can add something extra, something beautiful with these type of classy ideas. You can make something amazed with these burlap. Add some fairy lights, add some beautiful things, add something whatever you want to do. So these burlap craft, it's gonna be rocked and everyone is shocked. So how you feel about this upcoming season, this Xmas season? Do you think it's amazing? Do you think it's beautiful, worthy? So hope you get enjoyed these designs and ideas. Hope you enjoyed these designs. So hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. We are showing you that amazing rustic touch. We are showing you the amazing craft for this holiday season. This holiday season, the era is very beautiful, feelings is good. I wish everyone who is watching this video may God fulfill your life with happiness, with beauty, with crafting, lots of happiness, tension free, stress free. I wish who is watching this, everyone is listening that, because stress is terminate for your soul, and no one wants to add in your life with who is giving you the stress. So please give forgiveness, have forgiveness, and something beautiful in your life. Your partner, your sister, brothers, siblings, your loved ones, everyone who is watching, may your life fulfilled with love and happiness, prosperity. Do you think this type of craft is amazed? Do you think this type of amazing craft make your life easier and stress free? Because focus on something doing very well, it is stress free your life. So we are giving you the major hooks of your life, major hooks of your craft. You can hook them, you can loop them. Creativity is the best thing for your mind, and creativity has no limits. Create something for yourself, something for your home,